quick update. Got the headlights installed. I'm not worried about the bottom ones just yet because you just screw those in, but everybody know the top ones. Had to use my test light to figure out which ones were my high beam and low beam. And the new kit that I got, it takes the new style plugs for the 9005s for I think my high beams and the 9006s for the low beams. So those are the high beams, y'all bear with me. Go back right here. And there you got the low beams. Still running the same LEDs, running 9005 and 9006 LEDs. Look pretty good. Wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad at all. Truck slowly coming together. For a quick update, new grill was installed, new bumper, of course, new headlights. I got the signal lights in. May have to do a little modification to those, but from the looks of it, they just plug right into the new housing that I have. Got to get new marker lights. Those bulbs are blown. That's pretty much. Let me give another quick walk around. Oh, interior is coming along quite well. New carpet in. You see everything is pretty much stripped out. Going with black. All this is getting repainted. Door jambs, new seals, all that stuff. It's a work in progress, but hey, it's a project truck. It's a project truck. I'm going with something different. I'm going with actual racing seats. I'm going with racing seats up in the truck. New steering wheel is on its way. I'm not changing out the dash cluster. I'm not changing that out until I do my LS swap. And that's when I'm officially going to, I'm gonna go with the digital dash. All right, everything else is gonna be original in here. Only thing that's gonna be aftermarket is the digital dash and the aftermarket radio. New headliner is on its way. Trim pieces are being painted as we speak. New door panels have arrived, solid black. I'm not putting those on just yet until we get done painting. I'm taking the truck as is, stripping all the weather stripping off. I'm gonna get all of that stuff in. So that way when it paint, I can go ahead and throw the new weather stripping on there. I even got the window, new window guide trim, whatever weather stripping, whatever that is. New marker light is in. I got the new dome light. I mean, it's a work in progress. Oh yeah, I got to get rid of that crusty old mirror. I got a new one in already. Trying out the new kit that everybody's been talking about. It's called Coverlay. New dash. These pieces right here, I got new these, which I already replaced. If you can see, I already replaced the new door hinges with lock actuators. I was gonna replace the buttons, but my buttons are good and they're fully operational. Power windows, power locks, whole 9 yards. Yeah, coming along. From the first time you seen it, I had those old rusty wheels that were dry rotted. I just picked up some little Amazon knockoffs, and truck is still primed down. And last but not least, the roll pan. I did the bumper delete and got the roll pan on there. All right, so it's a work in progress. It's coming along quite well. Bunch of new parts that came in, which I took the old mirrors off, went with the new style mirrors. A lot of people are going with the cowl hood. I don't want it. I was gonna get the cowl hood, but I said I want to be different. Everybody's doing the cowl hood. I don't want the cowl hood. I just want to keep it like it's gonna be original to a certain extent. Not gonna tell y'all the paint scheme just yet. That's a surprise. That is my next thing. Mississippi Wrenches. He gonna put me in the game. But I will tell you, I am not going with 18s. I'm not going with 19s. I'm not going with 20s. I'm not going with 22s. I'm skipping all the way up. I'm going with 26s on the front. I want the staggered look. I'm probably gonna go do like a 26 by 8 in the front, and then a 26 by 12 in the back. I'm getting the back lowered down, and pretty much I want a little squat stance to it. Other than that, she's a work in progress. She's coming along quite well. I'm just taking my time with it and having fun. Most of the stuff I've did myself, and I think I've done a pretty good job at doing it. So until the next update, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day, and keep trucking along with your projects.